guys, it's day 4 of the greenhouse build. Last thing we have to do is get the windows and the roof on, and then getting the 2 front doors put on as well. I'm hoping to get it all done today. We're supposed to have a lot of rain this weekend, and we're gonna go into the freeze thaw next week again. We did have snow the last 2 days in the morning. As you can see, everything has melted at this point. And it is going to be close to 50 degrees today. So it's going to be muddy, but we're going to get it done hopefully. Let's go. So this is where we're going to be starting today. All of the cross pieces right here and here have been put in, and all of the support pieces along the side have been installed. I didn't go ahead and video this as it would have been really hard for you guys to see me tightening all the little bolts that are in there. The next step is going to be putting in these small pieces of polycarbonate and then placing the windows on the frame before we can move forward. Let's get going. Next step is to get all of the panels slid in. I think this is going to be the most satisfying step because it's going to go really fast. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, the roof is on. This was my goal for today. I am going to keep going though. I'm going to try to get both the front doors put on, and then this also comes with a gutter system as well. So we're trying to get the gutter pieces on, and then also some of the there's some trim pieces to be put on as well. But so excited with how this is looking so far. It's really coming together, and it makes me so excited to do the inside as well. I'm going to call this done for the video standpoint. So I did go ahead and get the gutters slid on. They literally just slide into the track that's right there. And I do need to come through, and I still need to put the little downspouts on. I do need glue to do that. So I'm going to have to glue the little 90 that's on there. Whoop. Here. I'll have to glue the 90 that's here, and it'll come down and it'll hook to a little part here that will shoot the water away from the greenhouse. So other than that, this is done. So let's just do a quick tour. We'll start with the front. Let me move out here a little bit. So here's the front, and we'll take a look inside. I know it is muddy in here. What I'm hoping is that this will now dry out now that it is not snowing and then thawing and then snowing and then thawing in here, so we can come in, do a little bit of work in the base. We are going to, oh, it's nice and toasty in here. We are going to bring in my little planters that I have, maybe a little plant stand for right here, and then we are going to put in some raised beds in here to be able to grow some stuff throughout the winter. I am so excited to be done this project just in time for the rain to come this weekend and snow next week. On to the next project. Bye.